How much does it cost to file Chapter 7 bankruptcy? Well, the Chapter 7 bankruptcy cost to the client is really made up of a couple of things. There's the court's filing fee, which is $306. That has to be paid in every case, and that's paid to the court. That isn't paid to the attorney, although we often collect it to then pay on to the court. If you're in Virginia, there's often something called a homestead deed that is required to be filed, and that's $21, so that's another expense. Congress reformed the bankruptcy law in 2005 and added two requirements. One was that you take a pre-bankruptcy, in other words, before you file, credit briefing, and that can cost anywhere from about as little as $15 to as much as maybe $60. There's also a post-bankruptcy, or after you file the case, debtor education program, which is the same sort of thing that usually lasts, anywhere from about an hour to two, and it's going to cost anywhere from about probably $15 to $60 as well, depending on which vendor you go with. In our office, we try to collect all these costs for the client as part of the bankruptcy, and then we'll pay them out so you don't have to go around and hunt for a credit counseling provider or a debt education provider. There are also the attorney's fees, and those can vary. That really depends on the complexity of your case. If it's a very simple case, it may be under $1,000. If it's a more complex case, it could be several thousand. So it just depends on the complexity of your particular case and situation.